Go.
Okay. Fine, YouTube. Today we're gonna do the spark plugs on that 94 BMW 325 6-cylinder. We're gonna do the spark plugs and an oil change and an oil filter. Never done one before on this type of cars. I'm the one that brought to you the charger. First, what you want to do is take off this little tabs right here. This so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That should be a number 10. 11. That is a 10. Yep, 10. Two.
So hot.
It's good though, I like it. At least we take it out.
Bebé, ¿me traigas agua, baby? Agua con hielo. Thank you, baby.
So I think like 4. And just set them whenever you're not going to lose them. Take the oil thing off. And this just covers the come right off. This one might be a little cold, but just pull it out. Set them to the side. Make sure you don't lose them, and you're gonna see your coils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to go in order so you don't mess. You just want to go ahead and lose them all up. These are extremely loose, so I just got lucky on that part. But most of the time, they're probably gonna be real. As you can see, the car has some wear to it.
Gracias, baby.
Car has some wear to it. It is a 90.
Want money? ¿Quieres?
Of course he does. He always does.
Excuse me.
I got $5. Bro, quickly in the kitchen. You know when I did it?
Okay, and then
Sí,
once
que-
they're loose, you want to take each of the one side.
¿Quieres $3? ¿Quieres
Pay
$3?
them $1 at a time. Pay them $1 at a time. Don't pay them $1 at a time.
$1 time. Look at us telling if he wants to put the laundry in the.
Yeah, just
Give
$1
him
at a time.
one. Give him one. I had that too.
Give them $1. Just make it like really hard.
That too.
Like $1 for everything or something. All right, then why don't you take the one of the
Okay,
coils off?
te doy $1. Y te pones mi ropa en la secadora. Te doy $1.
Can you do it?
And I'm not doing it.
Y si puedes.
I can't. No help. Somebody wants to help?
No, okay.
You can't do it.
You can pause it. You can pause it. I can.